Do you know that you can send an instant WhatsApp message as soon as you will make a new entry over your Google Sheet? Yes, you can do it by using Pabbly Connect. So now let me show you how to do it. So here I'm going to make a new entry over this Google Sheet named as My Leads. So right here you can see that I have entered the full name as demo user, email, phone number and the product in which my user is interested. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check whether we are receiving a WhatsApp message over there or not. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says hello demo user. Thank you for showing interest in Pabbly chat flow, and right here I'm getting all the details of my lead. So now you have seen that as soon as I have made a new entry over my Google Sheet, an instant WhatsApp message is sent to my lead. So now you can also create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of application and automate your entire business. So now let me show you how to create it, and for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect where we are going to create this automation. So for accessing this page you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Connect over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and here we are landed to the home page of Pabbly Connect where we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect you get 100 free tasks every month. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then you can use this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards the workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new entry over my Google Sheets. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Google Sheets. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are getting this webhook URL which will help us to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where I have made this test entry, and the last data column is D for the product in which my user is interested. Now for adding the webhook URL we just have to go towards extensions, and here we are getting this option for add-ons, and here you have to select get add-ons, and here we are landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where we have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let me search for it. So right here you can see that this app is already installed, so make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks where you have to select this option of initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box where we have to enter the webhook URL which we have recently received, and in the trigger column we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet as we want to receive the entire data of the Google Sheet. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and right here we are getting this pop-up which says setup configured successfully, means the setup is done. Now we just have to send the test data. So we are going to send this test data by simply selecting this send test, and right here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully, and here in my Pabbly Connect I am receiving this response 7 seconds ago, and this response consists of all the fields which we have recently filled over our Google Sheet. And now if you will make a new entry over your Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to perform one more task, that you have to go towards extensions, and here you have to enable the send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch all these details. And right here you can see that it is enabled successfully. And now I am going to integrate my action application, that is WhatsApp Cloud API, so that a WhatsApp message could be sent to this lead. So I'm going to search for my action application, and right here you can check out that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send text message, and now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here I'm on the connection page where if you want to use your existing connection then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. And right here we are getting all these fields for entering the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And for setting it up all, you just have to visit this documentation given over the help desk, which will provide you all the videos and the necessary steps for setting up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and generating the token. Now I have already set up my API, so now let's move on towards my API setup page where I'm going to generate my access token. So here I have clicked over this button, and right here you can see that my token has been generated, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And now let's get the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID from here. So here I have got all these details. Now we just have to click over the save button, and right here our connection has been built in, and we are getting this first field for entering the response mobile number. So now I'm not going to manually type the response mobile number like this, because I'm going to map this field. And now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map this recipient mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol. And right here we are getting Google Sheets. So from the response I'm going to map the phone number. Now here we have to enter the message which we want to send to the user. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and after this word hello I'm going to enter the name of my lead. And you know that I'm not going to manually do it because I have a method named as mapping. So here I have mapped the full name, and now after this sentence I'm going to map the service in which my user is interested. So here I have mapped the product in which my user is interested. Now let's map the email. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single entry received over your Google Sheet. Now for this field, that is recipient's mobile number, I am going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I am receiving, as this is a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hello test user, thank you for showing interest in Pabbly Connect. And right here I'm getting all these details of my user. So now you have seen this amazing automation which I have built in within few minutes, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your Google Sheet leads. So now you can also create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly products. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.